I turned 9 hand-painted flowers into stickers for my Rosy Milk Club. Welcome to the Secret Garden series. Hello, let's paint flower number 3, Bougainvillea. Back then, we had many of them planted in clay pots and displayed on a multi-tiered steel plant rack. There's a lot of varieties and colors, but the one that stood out to me most was called Mr. and Mrs. Bougainvillea. At that time, it was considered rare and expensive. This special variety produces two blooms on the same plant because two different colored bougainvilleas have been grafted together. Since the contrasting colors live side by side on one bush, gardeners gave it the nickname Mr. and Mrs. Bougainvillea. I've always loved how these flowers thrive in the summer heat, and I look forward to seeing them bloom each year. Here's the finished painting, and I love how it turned out. These first three flowers represent the garden from my childhood. Follow along for the next set of blooms inspired by the present, starting with tulips.